Okay, so now it's 13 to 17. Again, the end is slightly different from the kata to give a finish to this section. Starts to get a little bit more involved at this point. Okay, so the link, the last section to this section, just starting from 9, he's already at the strike. He sees my movement 10 and stops. He then parries 11, and then we both pull back into 12. And this is basically the starting point of the next sequence. Right, so we're both in Ski no Kamae. He opens up, I thrust for 13, he parries. He thrusts, high block 14, and it's 15, 16 double time. He sees I'm open, comes for a strike, 17, attacks the knee, making sure your hands are clear here. There's some variations around this and 4, 5, 6, but we're not showing them in this sequence. We'll probably do another video with those on at a later date. Just keep it kind of clean to this one. 17, 16, 17.